Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to transfer your crypto from Binance to your WEB3 or Web3 wallet. And yes, this method is fully working in 2025. Let's jump right in. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Next, head over to your Web3 wallet. This could be MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any other wallet you're using to. And go to the Receive section. Hope you will see an option that says Move funds from exchange to Web3 wallet. Tap on that. Now on Binance, click on Transfer in. Select the cryptocurrency you want to move, for example USDT, and make sure to pick the correct network. If you're transferring USDT, choosing the BEP20 network can save you a lot on fees. Double check all the withdrawal details, including the wallet address, network, and the amount you're sending. Once everything looks good, hit confirm to process the transfer. After a short wait, usually just a few minutes, you found funds should appear in the Web3 wallet. And that is it. Super simple and super fast. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other guides you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one as always.